Okay, here's my situation. I've been working on these plans. I showed you I had a quicker, easier way of doing it. In fact, it was such a quick way. I'm done. I'm done as far as I have enough paper. I need to order another roll of paper. I thought I only had one more frame to do because I think according to this, if I bring it down, this shows 1, 2, 3 frames, which I already did those, and this is the other end. This one here shows that I have frame 4, 5, 6, and 7. I believe the ones you watched were frames 3 and 4 because I had to swap plans from one side to the other. This one has 4, 5, 6, and 7, which I just finished number 7, which is, that's number 1, which is on the bottom of this pile. So I did 7 frames so far, but I have a number 8, and I thought 8 was the last one. I probably could have used the back of one of my other plans to make number 8, but there's always something else. I forgot. I was looking through here and I said, what's all this funny looking stuff up here? I don't know if you can see it or not, but anyways, like an octopus. Right over here with this piece is the transom. I didn't do the transom. And since this is a Garvey, not only do I have the transom, but I also have this one here, which is called, I think they call it the bow transom. Yeah, so it has an expanded view of the bow transom. So that means I have 1, 2, 3 more to do, and I'm going to need more paper. So I'm going to go ahead and order another roll of paper. I think it's like 30 bucks through Amazon. I thought I was going to get away with, I get the boxes over there with a 50-foot roll, and between that and what I had left over from previous bills, but I had less left over than I thought. So it would have been cheaper to get a 100-foot roll. So I'm going to get, I probably need another, 3, so another maybe 25 to 30 feet. I think I'm just going to order another 50-foot roll, and it came here pretty quick, but with Christmas, it's probably not going to come as quick now. I imagine it's not going to be delivered till after Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and put this video up, and by the time you see this, Christmas will have gone by. So I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year and a very successful New Year. I hope you all have as much a blast in 2025 as I'm going to have with my panga that I'm going to finish outside and with building this critter. I'm looking forward to a lot of fun in my Haven 26 Spira Hybrid, calling it. I'm looking forward to a lot of fun with it. Matter of fact, I think as soon as I finish the Garvey, the hull itself, I think I might take it out and test the water, maybe even by the end of next year if I'm lucky, if we have our new house yet. So for the new year, put in some good thoughts for me for the house, okay? People just aren't selling, and the ones that are selling, you swear they're selling mansions by the price of them. So put in some good vibes for me. If I get a nice house with a place to build, I'm going to be spending a lot of time building this, and when the hull is done, I want to take it out and test it, see, the center of buoyancy and all the different things like that, so I know what to do with building the cabin. But I think I'm going to hold off on the cabin till the following winter, and I think I'm going to use it for the year on the water for fishing, maybe take a few people out fishing. I mean, hey, this thing here is going to be 26 feet. It'll be one heck of a fishing boat, so it'd be interesting to see how it'll do in freshwater and especially way out in the salt water. I'd like to see if I could take it out again, depending on where we're living. I'm hoping we're going to be somewhere near the ocean. I'd like to take this thing out, 20, 30 miles and see if we can catch some big fish. They're out there, and Matter of fact, the places I'm looking at aren't too far from Bar Harbor, one of the places we've been looking at, and that's where Bar Harbor is known for some of the best whale watching and dolphin watching and ocean trips out here. And they have cod and haddock and bluefish and who knows what I'll catch, maybe even a tuna. This boat would be big enough to pull it in. My panga, some of those tuna I think would give my panga a run for its money. I'd be afraid to pull it over. So that's what my plans are. So I'm going to get some more paper and I'm going to dream of better times. So if I don't see you, have a great holiday. And I really appreciate having you follow me. And if you haven't subscribed already, we got a lot of cool things coming up, especially throughout the winter. I'll be working on this and we're going to be doing hangouts and hopefully interviews and reviews. So please subscribe, join us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.